Picture this, a world where AI and automation drive everything around us, from smart factories to self-driving cars. Welcome to 2025, where cable assemblies are more crucial than ever. The surge in AI and automation is transforming industries, increasing the demand for high-performance cable assemblies. These cables ensure seamless connectivity in complex systems, from robotic arms to sprawling data centers. AI systems consist of numerous sensors and control units, all needing robust cable assemblies for power and communication. Imagine a robotic arm, its precision movements reliant on data transmitted through these essential cables. AI applications demand rapid data transfer. Self-driving cars, for example, use high-bandwidth cable assemblies to process data from cameras and sensors in real time, ensuring smooth navigation through bustling cities. At Circuit Assembly, we specialize in crafting custom cable solutions to meet the demands of this dynamic market. Like and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.